Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the crypto flight or the Dogecoin flight edition. It is your fellow passenger, compadre, speaking. It appears that Dogecoin has broken out of the consolidation range that we've been speaking of. Welcome back, loyal subscribers. If you're new, we'll keep you up to speed. There's a range that we've been following in the Dogecoin, and what I want to explain to you all is what needs to take place next. So far, it looks really good in the Dogecoin market. It appears that the buyer's commitment is stepping into the market as we speak. It's still in the process. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the details here. And before we get started, I got a really quick shout out to the real Nick Balls. It looks like he started a channel. I need every single one of you guys, or most of you, right, just to do me a huge favor, guys. Go support this channel. Get this channel up to like 40,000 subscribers right now. Not sure how that's possible. I don't even have 20,000 subscribers, but you guys just show some support. He's invested in Dogecoins ever since 2014. So, I mean, I think even on the graph here, it doesn't even go that far back. So you can only imagine his buy-in, right? So yeah, go support the channel, guys. I need to see this channel up to like at least 1,000, 4,000 subscribers by today. Please. Thank you. All right. So we get into some details here on Dogecoin. And yeah, let's do what we normally do and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 14th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 12 cents. It's up approximately 3.5% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So before I pull up the chart, it looks a little bit different. We have the consolidation ranges, and we also have a green rectangular range that represents the buyer's commitment range. So here it is. That's it. Super simple. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at on the screen is this is the range that we were following, guys. If you're just kind of stopping in, the 4.7 cents all the way up to 7.8 cents. Hopefully, we're leaving links so that you guys can see that we were able to notice that Dogecoin will likely reach 7.8 cents when it was at like 60 cents. So kind of kindly check out that video. And I'm just kind of illustrating the consolidation range as Dogecoin has recently broken out above the consolidation range, and it appears that the consolidation range took about, I think it was like 68 days last time I measured. Okay, yeah, so 68 days, assuming that this is the official breakout over here. Okay, over here referring to this 12-hour candle right here. These are the 12-hour candles, by the way. April the 13th, 2021. Now, one of the things that I noticed is, actually, let's kind of go back in time to see if we can measure or just kind of get a view of the buyer's commitment ranges. If you're just kind of stopping in, my loyal subscribers, and I think most of you know, well, excuse me, the buyer's commitment range is kind of this green rectangular area here, right? And it appears that it lasts for about 36 hours. So like you see like three 12-hour candles. You have like one here on January the 28th, 2021, and then followed by two additional green candles. That's the buyer's commitment. And we go scroll on over here, and we go look at the, what's this, January the 1st, 2021, as Dogecoin broke above this kind of, these are all consolidation ranges. Like you see the little white rectangular areas, consolidation, right, up and down, and then boom, it breaks out, the buyer's commitment. That's the only thing we're focusing on right now is the buyer's commitment candles, right? So you got 1, 2, 3. And somebody say, wait a minute, why aren't you counting the fourth candle? Okay, so if we zoom in here, the reason that I'm not counting this as a fourth candle is because I always look at the candle's bodies. If you notice this fourth candle, it's within this previous candle's body. I don't know if you can actually see that. There's like a wick here. And if it would have to extend higher than the wick, then I would count that as a fourth 12-hour candle, if that makes sense. So since it did not extend higher than the wick, I'm only counting this buyer's commitment range as 3 consecutive 12-hour candles. Okay, and if we kind of move on over here to the right, hopefully this isn't a long video, this kind of consolidation range here, you know, it's consolidating. All right, very nice. And then just kind of the explosion to the upside. That was really nice, right? This is I think the 900% move. The only thing I'm pointing out, guys, is the 3 candles, right? The 1, 2, 3. I think we already went over that. So let's go over to present day. And so what we're looking at now, I start with the official breakout candle. Remember, I look at the candle's bodies, and the resistance level is right here, about 7.8 cents. Again, hopefully we left a link for that video. We'll start with this candle here at April the 13th. 2021. That's 1, and this is 2 here. Okay, so April the 14th, 2021. Now, one of the things that I'm noticing is kind of a difference, right? there should have been another green candle extending potentially as high as the 16 cents. And I'm not trying to justify that just because we made a call at 16 cents and it didn't reach that level. I'm okay with not getting that correct, guys. I'm not going to get this stuff perfect, right? But the 16 cents is just overhead. Can it reach it on this green candle here? It's possible. Again, if it doesn't, the only thing that we're waiting on is the new range. Okay, we have to give it possibly even more than 36 hours. It appears that the 36 hours has already expired on this red candle here. What does that mean? Well, we just need more time. Let's just say it like at least 24 to 48 hours, either for the price to continue higher or to find a range. You guys know the only thing that I'm looking for is what can I measure on the chart in order to identify a range to understand the next consolidation, range, right? Hopefully that makes sense. So right now it's much too early, guys. It's way too early for me to tell anything. This is a 12-hour developing candle. We still have 8 hours and 45 minutes to close on this candle. It's about 11:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, March 14, 2021. So yeah, we definitely have to hurry up and wait at this point, right? Yeah, so that's what I have. I definitely just wanted to let you guys know that the buyer's commitment, the first phase of the buyer's commitment has taken place. Okay, and remember this official break up here at about 7.8 cents. Now, you guys remember what we go over, okay? Support, resistance, and patterns is the only thing we go over on this channel. Let me know, was this associated with something? Like, I don't know, other than, because you guys know me, I'm just looking at the charts. Was this pump out of this range? Can you guys associate it with this something in the comment section? Like, let me know what happened, right? I don't look at this stuff, guys. So the previous level of resistance is 7.8 cents, okay? I'm not saying it's going to get that low, but what I'm saying is during the process of Dogecoin finding the new range, the practical previous level of resistance is 7.8. Obviously, if it continues higher, the only real floor or the only real level horizontal line that I'm going to put on the chart right now, right there, okay? The only practical level that I can understand through technical data or price action, rather, in terms of this red candle right here is I can only understand 12 cents. Like it's literally like 12 cents, 12.0 cents, okay? So if you see it above 12 cents, it's likely it's trying to continue higher. If you see it breaking down below that 12-cent level, then yeah, we'd have to revisit the charts as soon as possible, at least within the next 24 to 48 hours. Because remember, the red candles represents sellers attempting to push the price down, right? And the wicks below the candles represent buyers stepping into the market and pushing the price up. Yes? Okay. So the reason that I'm bringing that up to your attention is because, remember, these are 12-hour candles. And on this 12-hour candle, it's obvious that it's a sell interest candle. The seller steps into the market. And I think it's also pretty obvious that there's a wick below the 12-hour candle that extends all the way up to 12 cents, okay? So as long as the cryptocurrency can stay above 12 cents, everything should be just fine, and the buyer's commitment range will still be processing the price action to potentially continue higher. And at that very moment, hopefully at some point, we can get a measurable range so that we can outline a consolidation range as we have done successfully. I think we successfully have done within this range that I just circled here, which is a very beautiful, man, this couldn't have played out any better. I mean, this cup picture formation looks really good. I do remember actually predicting that something like this would actually take place. There's kind of the cup picture formation and then the official breakout. Not official, I can't say official. It looks official because of the candle's bodies, but I never say that something won't do. Like I will never say that Dogecoin will never go back down to 7 cents again. I'm smart enough to know that these volatiles are these assets are very volatile. They can do anything. The moment you say that it won't do something, that's when it's likely it will probably do it. Okay, and that's not always guaranteed, but just be open to volatility, guys. Okay, the market's going in either direction, exploding to the upside, a continuation, or of course potentially retracing to the previous level of resistance. That's it. Super simple. Okay. So I guess one level that we can leave you guys out with, I guess I can give you a range potentially. And again, I'm not justifying it. I'm saying to make it seem like I'm right, guys. But 16 cents, I'll stick to my guns on that. The 16-cent level and potentially 12 cents right here. Hopefully this ages well, right? And so when we post a video, it's already like below 12 cents. But this is what I can measure, guys. This is all I have. So hopefully this was useful. Hopefully you guys are doing well out there as well. And hopefully you guys stuck around to the end. Let me know down in the comment section with some sort of confirmation, like prayer hands saying done or something like that. Let me know that you guys actually went over to the Real Nick Balls channel and hit that subscribe button. Obviously, I'm already subscribed here. And yeah, so support the channel, guys. And I'd really appreciate that. He actually helped us build the channel as we have grown substantially fast over the course of the last few months. So thank you for that. And we're going to cut it out here. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios out there. And also, if you're new, before you go, I'd like to send you, hopefully you guys can subscribe to this channel as well, right? Traditional markets, if you're into stocks, we go over that. So subscribe with us and hit the bell, and we'll send you that when it's available. So remember, guys, exercise your strategies out there, okay? Please have a plan before you enter the markets, before you hit the buy button. Know where you're going to enter, exit, and take a stop loss, right? And take profits, okay? So that's it, and hopefully you enjoyed that, and we'll join you guys again on the next episode. So take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.